first grade. Today I wrote you a story to hopefully teach you something new that we're going to be learning. So this is a fun story about my daughter, Haley. Some of you have met her or you've seen her in after school. So here we go. Haley went to the store yesterday. Haley bought some ice cream. Haley really likes the Dino Sprinkle flavor. Haley had to hurry home before it melted in the car. Messy. Haley loved eating it last night. Me too. Wasn't that great?
Wow, Miss Frank, I loved your story.
Thanks.
Can I offer some help?
I'm always open for help.
Okay. So, I really like how we know exactly who you're talking about.
Haley.
Haley, we're talking about Haley, exactly.
We're talking about...
Wow, there's Haley. That's exactly who we're talking about.
Yes, she is my daughter.
Yes, she is your daughter.
Yes.
But let's count how many times you wrote Haley.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh,
you,
gosh,
you,
a
you
lot.
put the name Haley 5 times.
That's a lot.
In this one story.
I could
There might be another word that we could use instead of
Maybe.
Haley.
Because it's about her.
It's about
So I don't
her
Uh-huh.
and what
when
she did.
Yeah, right. So I appreciate the help, but I'm not sure what else I could do.
Well, have you ever heard of what a pronoun is?
I know a noun.
What's a noun?
A noun is a person, a place, or a thing.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
the
Got
word
that.
noun, person, place, or thing. We've already learned that, haven't we, first grade? The pronoun is a word that you can use. Hold on.
Okay.
In place of another word.
Wait. Could I use something else in place of Haley's name since I did it so many times?
I think you might be able to.
Show me.
So, I like how we started off with Haley because that tells us exactly who we're talking about, right?
Right.
That's exactly who we're talking about is Haley. Haley went to the store yesterday. Do we need to say Haley again? Or do you think we could use something else, friends?
Well, the story is still about her, so you probably don't have to change or don't have to say her name again.
I don't think we need to say her name again, so I'm going to little loop-de-loop her name out, and I'm going to write one of our sight words.
Ooh.
It starts with a S-H,
Shh, shh, shh.
S-H,
Shh, shh, shh.
with an E. What's that word, everybody?
She.
She bought some ice cream.
That's still true.
We still know who it's talking about. We still know it's about Haley, but she bought some ice cream. I'm going to mark this one out too. She really likes the Dino Sprinkle flavor. And now I think it's okay if we leave one or...
Sure.
Haley had to hurry home before it melted in the car. She loved eating it last night. Do you think we should try reading it like this now?
Let's try. All right, I've got it. A little bit different. Haley went to the store yesterday. She bought some ice cream. She really likes the Dino Sprinkle flavor. Haley had to hurry home before it melted in the car. She loved eating it last night. Awesome, that does help. I bet we could do it for other things too. Like my neighbor, it's Joseph. So if Joseph came over, I don't want to say Joseph came over. Joseph had ice cream. Joseph liked it too. Joseph. He came over. It's making sense now.
Exactly. And what if you said Joseph and Haley? Would it be
He
a
and
she?
she. He and she.
Do you
Wait.
think there's another word?
It's one that I actually love, this word. There's no A in it. There's no A in it.
Sounds
Is
like it.
They.
They.
That would work.
Wow, sweet friends. There's a lot of different pronouns, and there's also him and her. It was her ice cream. It was his ice cream. There's so many different ways, and we're going to show you how to use them on today's worksheet.
All right. I'll get us clean. I can't wait to see. You know what? Instead of saying ice cream, if I kept writing, instead of saying ice cream again and again and again and again, I could say it.
Absolutely, Miss Reich. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy you're finally catching on.
It takes me time. All right, test me. Wait a minute,
This
I've
is
got it.
7.1, sweet friends. 7.1, skills 6. Skills 6.
So, I'm going to always read everything first. Kate is 9.
I have a friend named Kate. She's not 9 though.
She's She wrote a book. My page wants me to find that pronoun you talked to me about, mark it, write it, and say, what is it talking about? So that sounds like 3 things, Mrs. Sane. Find my pronoun. I'm going to mark it.
I'm going to make a
gonna
list.
Write it. That's a great idea. And I'm going to tell you the noun it is talking about. This is talking about the person Kate. Kate is 9. Kate wrote a book.
Mm-hmm.
I can check myself. If my noun fits where my pronoun was and back and forth like a puzzle, I know I did it correctly. Kate is 9. She wrote a book. She stands for Kate.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Number 2, Jack. I have a Jack friend too.
You do.
I
He's
have-
not 9 either.
He's not 9 either. Jack has a shop. He sells coins. I know that the word he is a pronoun. And you can also use his. He sells coins. That's going to go back to the name Jack. And we're going to write E. He. Jack has a shop. Jack sells coins. Or Jack has a shop. He sells coins.
All right. So number 3, Mrs. Sane, while you were working, I did a little reading. I saw Kate and thought I was just going to write she and be all done. I was being a little lazy. But then I read it while you were talking. Kate went on a trip. It was fun. So I found that pronoun, it. I'm going to write it, it. But we're not talking about Kate anymore.
Nope.
She was not fun. It was fun. Well, she might be fun. It means the trip. This takes the place of that noun. It was fun. The trip was fun. It was fun.
Remember, nouns are person, place, or thing
Thing.
words.
That was a thing. A trip is a thing.
Exactly. I see Kate. Should I just go ahead and write she?
Don't make that mistake. I almost
do
did
it.
it.
Don't do
it.
My friends know. Don't get tricked.
Don't get tricked.
Kate found a coin. It is Spanish. I know the
that's
word it
hard.
is a pronoun. I know we're not talking about Kate.
Not found.
Found is a verb.
Yep.
A coin.
Oh, the coin span. That makes
The
sense.
coin is Spanish. Wow. Do you think it speaks Spanish? I don't think
I
so.
hope not.
Does your page look like this?
Say, oh yeah.
I bet it does. Now let's
You
move
did.
to the
She,
back.
he, it, and moving to the backside. They're probably experts by now.
I bet they are. Let me just scoot
You
it up a
bet.
little bit. Okay.
Awesome. Ooh.
For this one, we're only using he, she, or it.
And they want us to tell them the pronoun, so backwards. Uh-oh. Kate is my noun. This time I'm marking my noun. Kate went on a trip. This is a person. I'll replace my pronoun to cover Kate. Kate went on a trip. Blank had fun. She stands for Kate. She had fun.
Jack likes the coin. Jack likes him. He, she.
I love that you're trying your best. So coin is underlined. Let's look at that.
That might be important.
That's got
I
to
didn't
be.
look at that. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Coin. Coin's not a boy. Coin's not a girl. But a coin is a thing. So that must mean it. Jack likes it.
Excellent.
Jack likes the coin. Jack likes it. There it is.
All right, I'm ready. Was, oh, it's going to be a question. Oh, sure is. Question word. Was Jack Nan's pal? All right, so Jack is my noun. Was Jack Nan's pal? Yes, Jack, so I'm talking about, was Nan's pal. Was Jack Nan's pal? Yes, she, what, no. Yes, he, maybe. It, what, nope, I'm going to stick with he.
I think that's
It's
a good
official.
idea. Kate made a book. Blank wrote the words. Kate made a book. She wrote the words? Maybe.
Maybe.
Kate made a book. He wrote the words. I don't know what he we'd be talking about though.
True.
So I don't think that's it.
Don't think so.
Kate made a book. It wrote the words. That's not nice
That'd be
to
a
call
little
somebody an
confusing.
it. That's not nice. Kate made a book. She wrote the words.
Ooh, wow. Number 5. Nan has a cabin. Cabin's my noun. Cabin is in the west. All right. I'm going to choose one of these to replace my noun. Nan has a cabin. She is in the west. He is in the west. That's not a she or a he. It is in the, it is in the west.
And last but not least, Max is a kid. Max is a kid. I know him. I think he's a 3rd grader.
He might be 9.
He might be 9. Max is a kid. Milo, you're gonna get a kick out of that.
We gotta kick you. You 3 people.
Max is a kid. Blank is 9. Max is a kid. Max is 9. Max, she is 9. Max isn't a girl.
No.
He is 9.
That's sounding better.
Sounds good. It is 9. It's not nice to call people it. How many
No.
times do I need to tell you, Archie? I think it's he. Max is a kid. He is 9. He is 9. I think he might
Awesome.
be.
I think he might be. Friends, good job. That's the end of our pronoun page. Remember, it's replacing the nouns.
Yes.
Have a good day.
Bye. See you for our story. Here is our story for the day. The picnic by the river.
Page 8. The picnic by the river. Last summer, the Spencers had a picnic by the river. They had a picnic basket filled with food. It was stuffed with all sorts of good things. Chicken wings, ham, grapes, chips, and cupcakes. Mr. Spencer set the picnic basket down. Grace and Jill went for a swim in the river.
After their swim, the children raced back to the spot where the picnic basket was. When they got there, there were ants marching down the side of their picnic basket. The ants were marching off with some of their food. The Spencers had set their basket down next to the center of a big anthill. Oh no. Yikes! Shouted Grace in a loud voice. Who asked those ants to this picnic? Mr. Spencer picked up the picnic basket and brushed off the ants. Much of the food was in plastic bags, so it was safe from the ants. Grace and Jill rinsed off the grapes after they brushed off the rest of the ants.
Okay, page 12. The Spencers sat down and ate their picnic lunch. This time, they sat far from the center of the anthill. After lunch, Mr. Spencer asked, "Should we pack up our stuff and get back to the farm?" "Not yet," said Grace, and glanced back at the anthill. She smiled and slipped some bits of cupcake and ham into her pocket. Then she ran to the anthill. She set the bits of cupcake and ham on the ground next to the anthill. There, she said, that will be lunch for the ants. I think ants are cool when they're not crawling on our basket.
Ha.
Ha ha.
And that is our story today.
Awesome. Watch out for ants if you're picnicking.
Yep, be very careful. Bye,
Bye,
friends.
friends.